Hi guys, it's Talk Back Tuesday with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about a functional coffee bar or wine bar, whatever it is that your family uses. So this is a wall that's in and off of a living room and a kitchen, and they have added cabinetry with the cabinet countertop on it, and they've turned it into a coffee area, coffee station type situation. I think it's really cute and functional and very useful when you are entertaining guests, and it keeps the area very open, but it's also displayed very, very nicely. So like I said, if you prefer wine, you can add a wine fridge in one of these cabinets here. I just think that it's very multifunctional, and I want to know if this is something that you would use in your home if you had a wall to build something like this off of your living and your kitchen. So cast your votes below and let me know, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.